Hi everyone, it's Jeff from Transient Specialists. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to be spending some time on the ComPower AL130R active loop antenna. We'll start by going over a little bit about the antenna, then we'll move to what's included with it, and then finally we'll spend some time on getting the antenna set up. The ComPower AL130R is an active loop antenna with a frequency range from 9 kHz to 30 MHz, and it has a built-in battery-operated preamplifier. It also has the option for a remote antenna interface called the RAI-100, which we'll take a look at during the video as well. Let's go ahead and start by taking a look at some of the specifications. Now we're looking at page 2 of the data sheet for the AL-130R. At the top, we have the frequency range and loop size. As we work our way down, we have the E-field antenna factors, saturation level, antenna factor variation, and then below that, the sensitivity. These criteria will be especially important for this antenna. If we scroll down slightly, you can see we have the equations on the left and physical specifications on the right. Just below that, we have the antenna factors across the frequency range. It's worth noting that the largest difference in the antenna factors occur at the lower and higher frequency ranges of operation. Let's go ahead now and let's take a look at what's included with the AL-130R. Now we're taking a look at the included equipment. Starting on the left, we have the AL-130R antenna, and in front of that, the associated documentation. If you're renting the AL-130R from us here at Transient Specialists, it will include the ISO 17025 calibration certificate, including data. Working our way right, we have the two AC adapters. Next to that, we have our RAI-100 remote interface. And finally, behind the RAI, we have the 30-meter fiber optic cable for connection of the remote interface to the antenna. Let's go ahead now and take a little closer look at the antenna. Now we're taking a look at the front panel of the AL-130R antenna. Starting on the left, we have the power switch with the LED indicator. Working our way right, we have the RF output switch, which turns off and on the antenna amplifier circuit. Next to that, we have the remote access, which will allow for connection to the RAI-100 remote interface. Next to that, we have an LED for active connection to the remote interface. Taking a look at the bottom now, we have a green LED for the RF output. As we continue right, we have the saturation and low battery LED indicators. Next to that, we have the antenna output, power input, and battery charging indicator. This antenna has a mounting hole on the bottom side of the antenna. Let's go ahead now and let's take a look at the RAI-100 remote interface. Now we're looking at the front of the RAI-100 remote antenna interface. In the upper left, we have the RF output on-off button, and along the bottom, we have a series of LEDs. The first of which, on the far left, is the RF output LED, and next to that, the power on LED. Working our way right, we have our low battery indicator, and then finally, all the way on the right, our saturation LED. Let's go ahead now, let's get the equipment set up, and let's take a look. Now we have the AL-130R set up and turned on, as well as connected to the RAI-100 remote interface. If we take a look closer at the front panel of the AL-130R, we have the remote link LED on, indicating we have connection to the remote interface. Taking a look now at the bottom row, We also have the green LED on for RF output. If we take a look next to that, we do not have the red saturation LED on. ANSI C63.4 2014 allows for compliant testing outside of a shielded environment only if the saturation indicator is monitored continuously during testing. This is achieved with the saturation LED both on the AL-130R and RI-100. Looking at the RI-100, we have the green RF output LED on, as well as the power LED on. On top of the unit, we also have the remote link LED on, indicating we do have good communication to our antenna. Alright, that should complete the video today on the ComPower AL-130R active loop antenna. We began the video by going over a little bit about the antenna, then we moved to the included accessories and remote interface, and then finally we got the antenna set up with our RAI-100. We hope this video has been useful, and please keep us in mind if you ever need to rent the ComPower AL-130R.